Ooh, I like it, I like it, I like it, I like it. Hello everyone, I am Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. I'm going to be trying out the hair makeup from Curlsmith. This is right here, this really cool product is a temporary color styling gel and it rinses out in one wash. This is in the shade of Ruby and it actually comes in, I believe, 5 shades. Ruby, turquoise, rose gold, copper, and I think gold, I think. And I'll have the 5 shades for sure down below for you guys. I'll also have a link to get this lovely stuff. This is my first time using it. I've had this for like quite a few weeks now. Have not tried it out. That's why I'm here with you. Apparently this stuff is not supposed to transfer onto like your clothes or skin or things like that. So we're gonna test this out. And I've seen so many people have wonderful results all over Instagram, on YouTube, and even on Facebook. It's my turn to find out how awesome this stuff is. So if you guys would like to check and see my results and how I get my curls looking ruby red here from Curlsmith, then stick around with me and of course keep watching. And if you do enjoy today's video, be sure to hit that like button. And of course, if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. Off camera, I went ahead and added a leave-in to these curls so they're nice and hydrated before I add the temporary hair color from Curlsmith here. Now this product, you guys, oh my God, it smells so freaking good. Like I couldn't stop sniffing it, but then I had to stop sniffing it to continue the rest of the video. Once the hair is halfway up and halfway down, I did go ahead and use my Denman brush just to brush through the hair and make sure all of my tangles were out. I didn't use to style. So my technique, I grabbed a little bit of product. I wasn't really sure exactly how much to use, so I started small first, and then I began to rake it into my hair. So I kept raking, occasional prayer hands just to kind of wipe off the excess product from my hand, but just rake it really, 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 really good. And then I did finger coil my curls. Look at what we got so far, guys. I was like so amazed with how it was starting to look. I was like so absolutely impressed. So I made sure when I went through each of the sections, like I said before, I just applied a little bit and then kept adding more as needed. I made sure I didn't add too much right away and then would rake it through, prayer hands again to get some of the product off, and then finger coiling with a good little scrunch at the end. Once that was complete, I just would keep adding more product and keep going. And miracles do happen. We finally got to the last section. So once this portion here is finger coiled and I scrunched it, I'm gonna spot treat a little bit. So I grab a little bit onto the pads of my fingers and just smear it where it needs it. And then I grabbed a little extra onto my hands and prayer hand it through my hair and scrunched. Now this is the completed curls with all the product on. I'm going to air dry for about an hour and a half. After air drying, this is actually my diffuse results, and I used my Revlon blow dryer and my Curly Co diffuser. Here we got some results that include a little scalp massage. I did scrunch out some of the crunch. I separated some of the curls because I am going to go to sleep with my hair like this, and I wanted to really salvage my hair for next day curls. But this is the finished look, guys. I am so impressed with it, and let's get to the review. I would definitely say that this is a success. I'm super happy with how it turned out. I love how shiny my curls are, how glossy my curls are. I love how red and ruby my curls are. And it's super cool because there's not like a major place. Like it almost looks like places that have a lot of it. It's like highlights. So it's super cool the way that it looks. Like I'm absolutely so happy with this. I don't really have necessarily any complaints, but I will explain to you what I experienced the whole time, even off camera. As far as styling and adding the product to my hair, that was super easy. Not difficult at all. I just made sure I went over a couple spots just in case. I think next time I use it, I am going to use a brush to kind of brush the product through the sections as well. I wanted to kind of test it out just with my hands and my fingers doing it. And I really like how it looks, but I think next time I'll try it with a brush. As far as cleanup and everything, you know, this puppy right here had red all over it. I had a little bit on my little desk space here that had some red on it. This rinsed right off in the sink, no soap needed, and my desk here wiped off pretty easy, just like a wet rag, boom, boom, gone. So cleanup, super easy, bonus. Same thing with my hands. Like when I washed my hands, I did use soap and water with my hands, but even when I first just started rinsing them a little bit, I was like, oh my gosh, it's coming right off. And then I just soap and it came off even easier. Cleanup, application, not a problem. I have no complaints there. I did notice when I used my diffuser, when I picked my hair out a little bit, and when I did my scalp massage, I did get a little bit of the red transferred onto like my diffuser, onto my hair pick, as well as a little bit on my fingertips. It just like was barely could see it, very faint, kind of ruby and sparkly on my fingers. Rinsed or wiped it off with a rag or something, and it came right off. My clothes. So my shirt here is a shirt I really don't care about. I got a little bit right here, a little bit there. I am gonna wash this soon, and you know, I'll keep you guys posted on the details. The backside, literally the backside of the shirt has none. There's like no red on the back of my shirt. My skin had a couple places where the product got on it. Again, just a little wet rag, wipe, done. Gone. Super easy cleanup. And that's it. Thank you so much everyone for hanging out with me today and checking out this video, and all of my curl friends and my makeup lovers. I hope that all of you will come back next Monday and join me for another video. Take care. And yeah.